So let me show you how to get threads on Instagram, which works in 2023. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open up the App Store if you have an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you have an Android device. And it's really important to note that Threads is a separate app from Instagram, even though you're going to be using your Instagram profile. So you just want to type in Threads and then just tap on the first option. And then this is the app we're looking for right here. Let's hit get. Once it's done downloading, tap on open. Now, what's really important to note is Threads can only work if you have an existing Instagram account, and it's going to show up here. So you want to tap this option, log in with Instagram, and then your username, and then it's going to pull your name. And if you want to write a bio and add your link, you're more than welcome to, or you can just import them from Instagram automatically to save you the finger labor intensive task. What I'm going to do for now is just tap on skip, and then depending on what your preference is, you can keep the profile set to public or private. I'm going to choose public, hit next, and then you can just go ahead and hit next, because it's just going to ask you if you want to follow the same accounts like you follow on Instagram. You can just skip the step for now, and then just hit join threads. And once you do that, it's a huge success. You have your threads opened up. So this is the homepage. You get to see other people's feed. Now, basically what Threads is, it's a duplicate of Twitter. And since it just got launched about a week ago, it doesn't have as many features as Twitter does. However, you could make text posts, as you can see from my screen. You can add photos, which get more visibility and reach, along with videos. And then this is your search tab. You can search for your followers or search for other people that you want to follow. And then this is the tab that you go to actually start a thread. So it's very, very similar to Twitter. It's very simple to use. It's not complicated. Over here, you get to see all of the people that are sending you a request. Mainly these are coming from your existing Instagram profile page. So you can go ahead and confirm them or not. And then there's a replies tab, a mentions tab. And if you do want to get verified with the blue badge, that's where it's going to show up. And then this is your profile tab. You can go ahead and edit your profile at any time. You can share it. Here are your replies. These are all your threads that will show up here. And that is pretty much it. It's that simple as 1 + 1. And that's how to get threads on Instagram. If you like this video, hit that like, subscribe, and smash that bell for notifications. I'm watching you guys. And if you thought this video was helpful, please leave a comment right below this one. It's a great way to support me. And lastly, if you haven't done so already, please make sure you subscribe to my network. The link is in the description box right below this one. That way you'll get access to more than 27 digital tools to start and grow your online business empire the right way. Plus, you'll see live coaching on what exactly I'm doing to grow organically on Instagram. That way it will help with your progress as well too. And the quote for today is, "A man is a success if he gets up in the morning and gets to bed at night, and in between, he does what he wants to do."